Friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my next week trading plan, and I'm going to talk about four stocks, couple of stocks for futures trade, and couple of stocks for equity trades. Okay, and before that, it's a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. If you trade based on my videos, that is completely your own risk. Okay, and make sure you are watched the complete video and make sure you are liked my videos. Alright, guys, the first stock name is JSW Steel. This is beautiful pattern, and what I'm expecting like the stock may break out from this trend line, small trend line, okay, small trend line. And if there is a right breakout, if I get the right opportunity, definitely I will go for the buy side in futures. All right, this is my first stock. And next stock, Grasim. Again, we were already discussed a lot about the stock last week, and as we anticipated, the stock has moved like anything and given a small retrace now. And what I'm gonna do is that let's delete everything. Okay, all right. And if I get the right opportunity over here, okay, I will go for the buy side. What will happen? The stock may consolidate here itself, or the stock may move like this. Okay, and this is what I'm anticipating from this stock. Let's see what will happen on next week. And I have couple of stocks for equity trade. The first stock name is Canfin Home. This is beautiful pattern, guys. I don't want to miss this opportunity, and please make sure you are traded if you have enough money and you are a risk taker in the stock market. Okay, and this one day beautiful pattern, triangle pattern, and stock has already broken from this trend line and given a small retrace. And if I get the opportunity, I will enter here, okay, and I will keep my stop loss and make sure that I will get at least 1 is to 2, at least 1 is to 2, okay. And this is what my plan. Let's see what will happen. The another stock name is Sunflax. And again, this is a 1 day time frame. Let's move on to 1 hour time frame, guys. Look at the beauty. Look at this beauty. It's amazing, right? So what may happen in this stock? Like this stock may, sorry, give me a second. Okay, the stock may go like this. Okay, or the stock may come down to the support level and then it may go. So if I get the opportunity after breakout, or if I get the opportunity at support level, definitely I will try to enter. Okay, let's see what will happen. We are not sure what will happen in the stock market, and let's see. We hope the best, and I hope the best. And these four stocks in my watch list, and apart from that I have some other stocks too, but okay, so I don't want to reveal anything in one video. That won't help you. I just focus on one or two trades at initial stage, that will help you a lot. Okay, and in this, if you feel that this video helps you a lot, or if you made some money out of these stocks, just do let me know in the comment section, guys. Definitely that will motivate a lot. Okay, and thank you so much. Have a good day.